Imagine a level of peace in your life so powerful that it transcends anything happening around you. One in which you're not only immune to the circumstances of life, but you shape and mold whatever life throws at you, and you turn lemons into a whole multi-million-dollar lemonade franchise. Not just lemonade, but a whole enterprise, growing roots from every seed of adversity, unwanted change, and uncertainty that's thrown your way. You're so tapped into your creativity, and your flow state is on 100. You manifest everything that you desire with ease, and even when things don't go your way, you still find alignment with their purpose and supreme acceptance that allows you to be like the calm, untouched sea beneath the surface of roaring waves. One that is free from judgment, free from not good enough, free from doubt, free from that nagging feeling you used to have that you don't even deserve to enjoy the good things that happen in your life. You feel like you're born again, like you're a magician, an artist, an architect, a creator. Mistakes don't even exist in your world because all you see are opportunities to grow, learn, and enjoy. You easily make sense of the complex. You put your awkwardness on display. You cry loud enough for the whole world to hear and laugh just as loudly until people ask if you're actually that happy or just a little crazy. And you say, a bit of both. You let out a cheer of celebration when you feel sad because you're lucky enough to be alive to know what sadness even feels like. You find the beauty in all life to be inescapable and feel one with the yin and yang, the life and death, because every single moment is just a new chapter in the storyline for the most beautifully unique autobiography that was ever written. Your journey, the creator's journey, and you've been on this journey since the day you were born. In this journey, whether you believe you can or you believe you can't, you're right. There's no right or wrong path to take. You can't fail the journey or get extra credit. On the creator's journey, you design the very rules that you use to qualify or disqualify yourself. You are the judge, jury, and executioner of your own experience. Both the creator of beauty and the destroyer who is simply busy creating destruction. Every moment on this journey, you get to decide which character you're gonna be. Will you be the responsible creator that designs the life you want and recognizes your immense power and connection to the world? Or will you be the victim who believes that life simply happens to you instead of through you? No matter which one you choose, just know, you're still choosing, and therefore deciding the life that you're going to create. I invite you to join me, a tribe of other creators, and rejoin yourself on this journey. Choose to be the creator. Choose to rise out of the depths of your unconscious mind, grow into full awareness of your decisions, accept your experience, and ultimately feel the immense joy that comes with knowing that whatever life you are living is one that you've created, and you can choose to create a different one whenever you want. If you're ready to become one with the creator that lives inside you, then take the first step and believe in yourself enough to suspend your disbelief and step into this journey without expecting to get anywhere or to fix your problems, but learning instead how to live in harmony with everything that you've created.